This is the current state of my game. In the last episode we added some blood and damage effect and we are ready, but stop! There's something missing. The player doesn't know how many health points he has left. So what we really need is some kind of stats right here, and they should look something like this. But as soon as you play, you don't always want to look in the upper left corner, especially if you are in a big battle where everything is messing around. So I decided to add some health bar directly to the player and the enemy. So let's go. At first I imported all the image files directly into Unity and making sprites out of them, especially the health bar you see right here. And then I created a canvas, putting one avatar directly in the upper left corner and attached the bars to it. After I modeled the bars and find the correct position for them, I added some text fields as an overlay just to see some numbers or your current hit points and the maximum hit points you can actually have. And then I decided maybe I just add the player name and the current level. And that's it. The overlay was done. It was not animated or there were no script in background, but that's the next thing to do. But before that I created the in-game health bar and magic bar. So I switched to play mode and used the canvas I already created for the hit point effects. I added some simple images and added some bars, clicked them all together, make all the configuration I had to make, and then I was done. It was a perfect bar, you can see. And here is one Unity tip. So the problem was I can't configure it in the normal editing mode because the player is not there actually, and I can't really see if the canvas and the camera is in the right position, so I actually have to switch to play mode. But as you maybe know, as soon as you get out of the play mode, everything that you did is gone. But the tip here is just to create a prefab. You can just drag and drop everything you created in the asset folder and then it's safe, even though if you stop the play mode. And this is what I did. Now the scripting part begins. I want the player to enjoy the actual game, and the player shouldn't look at the stats and the bars all the time. He just should enjoy the effects and what was really going on in the game. So I decided to just show the actual bars as soon as the value changed, and the bars should disappear after a second if the value doesn't change anymore. For example, if you're just walking around in the game world or do some other things. And that's the result of the current week. If you are interested in creating your own health bar, I created a short YouTube tutorial on how to create a health bar in Unity, and you can have a look at it. It's a very simple and short tutorial.